You have bad cuticles. Cuticles that the moment you cut it, it grows back like roots the next day. Cuticles that make people say, damn, those are some big cuticles. You are not alone, honey. This client right here, she got some major cuticles, and I always have to cut her cuticles before I do her full set. I get a lot of clients telling me, other salons, they don't do this kind of stuff. They just go ahead and put the tips on an acrylic. That's because you're not asking for it. In other salon, cutting the cuticle is called manicure, not a full set. A full set, they just gonna put tips, boom, you're done. A manicure is where we clean our cuticle. But if you don't want a manicure, you just want a full set with your cuticle clean, you just have to be more specific. I want my cuticle clean before my full set. Please. And make sure to know that's an add-on, okay? That ain't no freebie. I don't know why some of y'all be asking for stuff and expect it to be for free. Bro, you crazy. But anyways, you gotta ask, okay? Now back to the crazy, damn, those are some big ass cuticles. Now you gotta use some cuticle oils, y'all. It is the most simple thing, and I'm not even talking about olive oil, corn oil, cornella, whatever you wanna call it. You just gotta use a simple drop of cuticle oil on your finger in the morning, at nighttime, put it in your purse. Every time you eat, put some cuticle on, and you're gonna be all right.